This flight school was built in secret by Nazi Germany. Constructed in the early 1930s, this school played a hidden role in Nazi Germany's military build-up. Officially, it operated as a civilian flight school, while secretly training technical personnel for the future Luftwaffe. The site survived the Second World War, but was later repurposed by Soviet forces. For nearly 50 years, the building served the new army before being abandoned after the Soviet withdrawal. Today, it is a protected monument, but one that is still being lost to decay. Join me as I explore what remains. Oh, lovely. You can see that, well, maybe you can't see it on the video, but there's clearly like a small path here. Like, I know people come here all the time. One of my Urbish buddies, Max, he told me that there's supposed to be security, but people come here all the time, so I'm being careful. A deer just ran away from the woods. I mean, I started it, so I know there's nothing. Oh, you can hear it. Seriously, it always sounds so funny. Alright, so this is the main building. If there's any building I want to check out, it's this one. So I'm going to be careful. But considering there are deer, I'm 100% certain there are no motion detectors in the woods, because otherwise security would go crazy. Well, there's definitely attempts to keep people out. Corners are always edgy. No cameras. Huh. Well, can't go in. Here's the main entrance. If there's going to be a motion detector or an alarm, it's going to be here. Right, no cameras. No cameras. But also no clear way in. I mean, I guess I can climb up. That. So cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna climb up. Alright, well, made it in. I'm gonna be fairly quiet. I do see like a whole conversation on the graffiti over here. Art is a journey, not a rage. Shut up and get a job. Are you offering me a blowjob? Lovely. Look at that. That's beautiful. There's not much to see. I mean, most of the place has been demolished already. And, you know, you have inspirational quotes, but other than that, there's not much. So just like in any museum, I like to go up and then make my way down. So I'm gonna go up. Although I do think there's not much going to be up here other than dorms, or, you know, yeah, it's not much. This is all plaster. That came from the roof. That came from the ceiling. That's beautiful though. Oh, look at it. Do you see this going up? It's slanted. That usually means there's a theatre. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a theatre. Oh well, would you look at that? I'm right. This is a scary corridor. Yeah. It's literally raining inside, so I'm gonna be super careful. Holy fuck, this whole place is just demolished. Is it a fire? I think it was a fire. I played a lot of Call of Duty Zombies when I was younger. This gives me that vibe a little bit. It's too small, but still. Man, it's super dark in here. Like if I just turn off the light. Like that's it. This ceiling is literally caving in. I feel like it's gonna, fall down at any moment. Same here actually. This is a cool mural though. I mean, a little blast to the past. Feels a little propaganda, but Man, I wish I could fly my drone, but there's an airstrip a little bit down the road, so it's no bueno. Not sure what this building holds, but it's boarded off, so naturally I want to go inside. So I'm just gonna climb in through that window. Yeah. See you inside. There we go. We're inside. I think these are just classrooms. Yeah. Yeah, but there's not much to see in this. Except for another way in. This might have just been the barracks for the officers. Either way, let's go up. It's at moments like this one where I feel insignificant. I'm standing in the middle of the main square of an abandoned flight school. It was used by Russians, it was used by Germans, and now there's me, just some random nut job from Belgium. It's so quiet. Some hangar. Not sure what's in there. You can actually look inside and it looks like a gymnasium. So I'm going to try and make my way in, not through one of these sketchy windows, not through that tiny hole, but somewhere else. It's got to be possible. See, sometimes it's worth it to just look around the corner. Door stuff. Maybe it's not a gymnasium. Oh, well, what the fuck is this? All this then? Technical classrooms, maybe? It's a flight school, so it makes sense. Oh no, this is a gymnasium. Oh, you know, what the fuck? It's a massive bumblebee attacking me. Other than the fire damage, this court is still in really good condition. And what's all this then? Huh. Would you look at that? An old diving board. Well guys, that's pretty much it for this location. The rest is just army sleeping barracks and... I see a person. There was a person over there with a dog. It was a golden retriever, so that's alright. Still gonna be careful. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe. I appreciate it every single time. Seriously, if I see that I got a new subscriber, I'm like, yeah. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.